Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Charles Proxy on Windows. Start by downloading Charles and installing it with administrator rights, then open Charles and allow it through your firewall. Enable SSL proxying and install the Charles root certificate in Windows and in your browser to inspect HTTPS traffic. Set your browser or system proxy to 127.0.0.1.8888 and test by loading a web page while Charles records again. Once Charles is running, install the root certificate inside your browser to decrypt HTTPS traffic and prevent browser errors. Configure each browser to use 127.0.0.1.8888 if automatic settings do not apply. Remember to clear cache and restart the browser after certificate or proxy changes so requests are fresh. Use Charles recording and throttle controls to monitor live traffic and simulate various network speeds. Charles offers powerful tools like breakpoints that let you edit requests or responses before they leave the client or reach the server. You can map a local file to a remote resource to test front-end changes instantly, and selectively enable SSL proxying for specific hosts to reduce noise. Use the sequence of record, filter, and save session to reproduce and share bugs with developers quickly and clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.